Welcome. If you've blocked someone on Telegram web and now want to unblock them from your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to unblock someone using the latest update on Telegram web. It's simple and quick, so let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and go to web.telegram.org. If you're not logged in yet, simply enter your phone number and sign in by verifying the code sent to your phone. Once you're logged in, you'll see all your Telegram chats right on your screen. Now, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it, and this will open up the main menu. In the menu, scroll down and find Privacy and Security. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a section where you can manage your privacy settings, including who can contact you and who you've blocked. Next, click on Blocked Users. This will bring up a list of everyone you've blocked on Telegram web. Now, scroll through the list until you find the person or number you want to unblock. Once you locate their name, click on it to open their profile. Finally, you'll see an Unblock button. Click on it, and a confirmation will pop up asking if you're sure you want to unblock this person. After confirming, they'll be unblocked, meaning they can send you messages and interact with you again. Don't worry. Telegram won't notify them that you've unblocked them, so the process stays completely private, and that's it. You've successfully unblocked someone on Telegram web using your PC.